Hello, future scientists. Today we're diving into a cool experiment with ice cream. Can sugar stop ice cream from freezing hard, or does it just change how it freezes? Sugar is in most ice cream recipes, so it must do something important. We'll make 2 batches of ice cream base, one with sugar and one without. This way we can see the difference clearly. Science is all about comparing things carefully. Get your bowls and spoons ready. This is about understanding the science behind ice cream. We are going to become kitchen chemists today. You will learn a cool science term, freezing point depression, but more on that later. First, let's gather our supplies for this frosty adventure. Prepare for a truly sweet science journey. First, let's make our plain ice cream base without sugar. Mix 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour this mixture into a container labeled no sugar. Next, make the sweet ice cream base with sugar. Use the same ingredients, but add half a cup of sugar. Stir well and pour into a container labeled with sugar. Now, let's get these mixtures cold. You can use your freezer or make an ice and salt bath. Fill a large bowl with ice cubes and sprinkle salt over it. Place your containers in this icy bath. Watch the experiment closely and measure what happens. Every 20 minutes, check the temperature and texture. Use a food thermometer and take notes. Is it slushy? Is it getting hard? Is one freezing faster? Keep good notes like a real scientist. Let's talk about freezing point. A freezing point is the temperature when a liquid turns solid. Pure water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Now, for a cool science term, freezing point depression. It means lowering the freezing point. When you add sugar to water, it won't freeze at 0 degrees anymore. It needs to get colder to turn into ice. Sugar particles get in the way of water molecules. They make it harder for water to form ice crystals. So the mixture needs more help to freeze. The temperature must drop lower than usual. Sugar acts like an anti-freeze. It doesn't stop freezing completely. It just makes it happen at a colder temperature. This is the secret behind sugar's role in ice cream. So what happened in our experiment? The ice cream mixture without sugar froze faster and became hard and icy. It formed large, crunchy ice crystals. Now let's look at the mixture with sugar. This batch took longer to freeze and was much softer. It was smoother and creamier, like store-bought ice cream. The sugar made smaller ice crystals, resulting in a scoopable texture. Isn't science delicious and amazing? This principle of freezing point depression is everywhere. Trucks spread salt on roads in winter to lower the freezing point of water. Alcohol also lowers the freezing point, which is why some drinks get slushy. Now it's your turn to be the scientist. Try this experiment with different ingredients. What happens if you add more sugar or use less? Does brown sugar work the same way? What about other sweeteners like honey or syrup? Record your observations and share your results. Science is all about asking questions and exploring. Keep experimenting and keep learning, everyone.